Okay, let's see a module that is quite useful for ortho, which is basically the OrthoCeph module. By simply clicking here, you get the possibility to see two different views, in fact more than that, but two views that you may be used to see, which are in fact the lateral and the frontal view. As you can see here, we are able to see exactly like a teleradiography, or the same information as a teleradiography. You get the soft tissues and the bone. The advantage of this function is that you get, of course, not only 2D. This is a 2D reconstruction of cephalometry, but it is also you can get it in 3D. That means that in case you have a doubt about where you want to place the point and exactly, first, of course, you have zoom available. But also you can see and check, and to be sure that what you're about to trace is sound for your analysis. WhiteFox Imaging at this moment doesn't have yet a module for 3D ortho, but I'm sure that in some time we will be able to propose it. For now, if you want to export this image, one of these images, to your normal ortho software, ortho calculation software, you simply need to click on this camera here, and as you can see, then you can select exactly where you want to store it and in what is the format that you want to store it. Of course, JPEG is the best in terms of compression. That means that your image is going to be smaller in size. But bitmap doesn't have any loss, but of course, image is much bigger, much bigger. In that case, in here, I'm not going to store any image. We have, of course, the possibility to select only an area, and that has the advantage to, as you can see, erase some part of the anatomy of the patient. And we can do that in all views, but then, of course, as you can see, my volume here is getting a little bit uninteresting. That will be the term. So let's put it back. So just a simple module that will give you an image that you are used to, and of course every time you can select the view and change the windowing that will enable you to visualize in a better way. That's it for the OrthoCeph module.